Do you want to know how to revoke access of your Notion account from Notion support? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to revoke access of your Notion account from the Notion support very quickly. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the Notion app on your laptop. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials, then sign in into your Notion account. Now on the top left corner of the screen, you'll see a username and a small drop down icon. Tap on it, then go to settings. Under settings, you're gonna have to select my account and scroll down. You're gonna have to now look for the support access option. Just go ahead and turn off the button right beside it. Then you'll successfully revoke access from Notion support to your Notion account. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.